buying or selling in the next 12 months, what you need to know moving forward today, okay? But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. I'm Iglesias with the preferredagentteam.com. Now let's get started, okay? There are many different reasons you might be thinking about selling your home. Maybe you want to downsize or upsize. Maybe you want to, take advantage of the market. Or maybe your company is relocating you. Regardless of the reasons, there are many things to consider before you speak with a real estate agent, okay? You probably have already a good grasp on how the home buying process goes, since you've done it at least once before. But if this is your first time selling a home, there's plenty more to learn. Even if you have sold a home in the past, remember, the market's always changing, okay? So if you're thinking about, buying a home within the next year or buying a home, after you sell your current one, there are a few things that you can get started on to make the home buying process that much smoother when you're ready to go get out there and start house hunting, okay? Deciding to sell your home, what you should do first, okay? So once you do decide you want to sell your home, there are several things that you can do before you contact a real estate agent. The first is to prepare your home to be sold. And that usually means a lot of cleaning, sometimes, some maintenance, just decluttering, some repairs. Even in the seller's market, you'll want to make your home look as inviting and attractive as possible in order to receive a great offer. Home buyers, who will be looking at your home are more likely to make an offer right away if your home appears desirable, as they'll be hoping to secure a home before another prospective buyer comes along. Declutter your living space, okay? When you were a first-time home buyer, you probably saw several houses and, that still contained, furniture and the occupants' belongings inside. This is normal when the homeowners haven't moved out yet. But you might also recall that, some homes appeared a lot tidier and well-maintained than others, okay? Think about that when preparing your home for future sale. You'll want to spend a good amount of time getting rid of, any clutter, any junk that you don't need. Get rid of it all, okay? Even old worn-out furniture and decor items should be removed. You can put them in a storage unit, or stick them in the garage for a while. The idea is to present a neat living space so prospective buyers, can see the house clearly, make necessary repairs. I mean, truthfully, this is up to you. In the seller's market, you can likely get away with not making some repairs since, buyers are more desperate to secure a home today. However, first-time home buyers might want the security of a home they know is in good shape. There's also a difference between necessary repairs and home improvements. For example, it might be necessary to replace the hot water heater, but not to, renovate the kitchen or the bathroom. If you're unsure which things you should spend your money on, focus on the most obvious maintenance issues that a home inspector will definitely be looking at and what they're going to be pointing out to the buyers. Check out the market. Have any homes similar to yours in the area sold recently? That might give you a good idea of what you could get for your home. The online sites providing estimates can serve as a good baseline, but they don't always know the specifics of the local area or any specific improvements that has been made to the homes. Okay, so take this into consideration before you talk to a real estate agent. The agent will, of course, be more familiar with the current conditions of the market and how things are selling in your area. And once the agent sees your home, they'll be able to give you a better idea of what it might sell for. Okay. Just remember to price it realistically. Even in the seller's market, pricing your home too high could mean you'll be waiting a while to sell. All right. Finally, contact an agent. Once you've done all that, Now you're ready to contact an agent. Unless you already know an agent, who you'd like to work with, you'll want to interview a few different agents. You'll be working with the agent of choice, for a while. So you want to ensure that you feel comfortable with whoever it is you choose. Ask each agent for a comparative market analysis as well as the details of their plan on how they will market your home. Also, you want to ensure that that agent's going to have the time for you and your home, okay? You want to make sure that they're there for you, okay? Deciding to buy a home, what you should do first, once you do decide that you're ready to buy a home, there are several things that you can do before you contact a real estate agent. The first is to prepare your list of non-negotiables, okay? And really decide what you really need from a home. The real estate market moves quickly, so understanding the current market, interest rates, and more will be, important. The more closer you get to that time when you're getting ready to purchase, okay? Make your list of must-haves. Do you need a 2-bedroom? Do you need a 3-bedroom? 2 baths, Are you open-minded to a townhouse, condo, or do you prefer a single-family residence? We'd recommend that you sit down and think deeply about what you need from a home and make your list of things that you can't live without, okay? This will make the house hunting process much easier, and you'll be able to to share this information with your real estate agent when the time is right, okay? Have a cushion in your savings. Super important. Buying a home can bring several unexpected expenses your way. All right, so the more that you can plan in advance, the better you're going to be, okay? Of course, you'll need to pay things, like a down payment, for the home. You're going to have closing costs, taxes. Once you move in, you'll likely need some furniture. And what if the HVAC system needs repair? Some experts recommend having at least 6 months of expenses set aside in your savings account, while others recommend, having up to a year's worth, okay? Get pre-approved, okay? Securing a pre-approval from the bank is going to let your real estate agent and the sellers that are currently own the home that you're serious and you're ready to purchase. This will also give you a sense of your purchasing power and help you understand the budget that you'll need to stay within. Okay, now you're finally ready to contact an agent. Once you've done all that, again, you're ready to contact an agent. Unless you already know one, an agent that you're going to work with for a while, you'll want to interview a few different agents. You'll be working with this agent, like I said, for a while, so you want to make sure that you feel comfortable with whoever it is that you choose, okay? Make sure to let your agent know all of your wants and needs. The more they know, the better they can help you. Don't hold back. As always, we're here to help. So whether you're thinking about buying or selling in the next few months or the next few years, we're happy to help you, and we're happy to answer any questions that you may have. So feel free to reach out. As always, our contact information is in the description box below, okay? And if you found this valuable, don't forget to hit the like button. We really appreciate it. As always, have a powerful day. I'm Carl Iglesias with the preferredagentteam.com. Till next time, peace out.